Family, you won't believe what a customer just did. So last night I'm on YouTube, and you know YouTube like to push suggested videos to you. So you know me already. Obviously, them push a lot of suggested solar content to me. You know, I see this thumbnail. This work look familiar. So I click on it. When I bust open the video, no we that we say I install solar at the man house. So I'm hoping it's a happy customer. No, let us watch the video and see what is going on in the video and all that. The man, I'm a deliver.
My name is Wayne.
I
This is
remember
my
this man.
Jamaican dream house.
I actually spoke to him
So today,
in person. I spoke to him over the phone.
I'm finally getting my solar panel put in. I am excited. Can't wait for it to be up and running.
The man have him
My JPS
big
bill
house.
was around 16,000 a month. I have one fridge plugged in, security camera, couple lights. All my light bulbs are LED, and I felt like that was a lot of money for my light bill for the little bit of stuff I have. So I always want to go solar because I know that JPS is very expensive. Originally, they quoted me for 10 panel and 2 battery with an 8 kilowatts inverter. Money was kind of tight, so I downscale from 10 panel to 5 panel and from 2 battery to 1 battery. The system was working okay, but it needed a little bit more.
What had happened with him is that he did realize he didn't need more power. No, we told him he would need more power, but I think he did it in stages based on budget and so forth. And he got the other battery and the other 5 panels afterwards. You know. So we went there twice. This roof type, for those of you who have this roof type, it's less costly to install on this type of roof, and we don't bore the roof none at all. That's one of the nicest roof to install on because you can send the screw sideways. And you know, if you send the screw sideways, no water not going to leak at all.
System installed, we had a hurricane. In my area, we was out of power for 1 whole month. I was really lucky to have my system installed. I didn't miss JPS at all. I had light, I had power, everything was normal. I was charging phone for people, laptop, making ice. Only problem I had was the power wouldn't carry me all the way through the night. So I knew I needed an extra battery. So I ended up calling them back for additional battery and the remaining solar panels. So they come out and install the remaining solar panel and the extra battery. But I'm not 100% off of JPS because between 3 and 5, my system struggled a little bit. I'm still relying on JPS a little bit, but not much. Yes guys, those solar panels are big. Throughout the day, I can pump water, wash clothes, and use the rest of my appliances. I had a welder come by. He was welding some gates for my pig pen. This was during the blackout. So I test the system. I turned on everything I had while he was working. Everything worked. I had the pump going, grass cutter for my goats to cut the grass up, washing machine washing, fridge, freeze, using the MIG well at the same time. Everything went smoothly, no hiccups.
Right, as you can see, his house is using, it's like nighttime that the house is using, and you know, not using JPS, none at all. And by the way, that is our day 8 kilowatt inverter.
Take care of my problem between 1 and 5.
That is our inverter.
I should be able to store more power, so I should be able to use more power. That's what I'm thinking. But I'm
Work
still
neat, man.
feeling like I need one more battery to be 100% off grid.
You know, you
Let's
should follow
see
this
when
follow
I'll
his
be able to
channel.
afford
He
to
might what he
buy
might if
an
you're
extra
interested in
battery.
solar. So the man
And guys, as usual, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. All
so
the
we're going
information
back
for
and
my
put up the
solar
next battery
system
now.
will
Those
be
are
in
the
the
wall mounted
description
type
below.
batteries.
So if you need more detail, check.
And so I mean, for those of you who are probably thinking about getting solar, probably this is a good channel to watch. So I would subscribe to his channel if I was interested in getting solar. Probably you can even comment to him, probably ask him questions about his experience. Now, you can ask him about this too because I didn't ask him to do nothing. I didn't know this man had a YouTube channel. It's last night I find out when I see the thumbnail come up. So obviously he's very passionate about his dream house and his full solar system for his dream house. And, yeah, his video is linked in the description. So if you are interested in getting solar, this is like you can hear it from the horse's mouth. What was his experience with the installation? What is his experience currently with the system and everything? I think this he could be quite helpful, you know, for those of you who are interested or who are curious about solar and what his system, how his system is treating him and such. You know, one of the good takeaways from this gentleman's experience is that he got 5 panels on one battery, and he found out that he needed more batteries and more panels to be more independent from JPS, and so that's why he went ahead and got more batteries and more panels. Now, I mean, it's up to you. If you want, whenever little cloudiness are going, you end up paying a little JPS bill. It's up to you. But he seemed to didn't want to pay a JPS bill, so he opted to just get more battery and more panels, and that just cut him JPS bill down to probably close to zero. So just know that when you get solar from us, you can start small and you can grow it over time. You don't have to do everything one time. I mean, just like how he did. You know, you want to watch a JPS bill and determine if you know what, never get more panel enough. I mean, like how the JPS bill move up. You know, you can decide what's going on based on your usage. It's how you use the power. Let's say you want more AC, you drop in another AC in your house or something. Then you might need another battery. You know, it just depends on how you use the power. Let's say you start to work from home, you might need more panels. You know, but you might not need more battery. It all depends on how you use the power. So when you consult with our field agents, we can advise you accordingly, you know. It goes without saying that I feel good today because I'm on just make a video about basically about his experience with working with us and know based on personal experience, you know, I run solar at my house and business place and all that, you know. So I know he's going to be a very happy camper and is a very happy camper. So just want to share this with you guys. You know, until next time, take care.